In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore an archived class in Google Classroom. If you've archived a class to tidy up your dashboard and now need it back, this walkthrough will bring it to your active classes in just a few clicks. Archiving doesn't delete content, it simply moves the class out of your main list. You'll want to be signed in with the account that owns or co-teaches the class, since only teachers can restore. Start on the Google Classroom homepage. You can open Classroom in your browser and make sure you're on the main classes view where all your course tiles appear. If you manage multiple accounts, double check you're using the correct one to avoid any confusion about what you can access. Next, open the Archive Classes section. On the homepage, look for the menu that lists your options and select Archive Classes. This takes you to a dedicated area containing classes you previously archived. Think of it as a storage shelf. Everything is intact, just tucked away. Now, find the class you want to bring back. On its card, look to the bottom right corner for the 3 dots icon. This is the More Options menu. Click those 3 dots to reveal the actions available for that class. Choose Restore from the menu. This tells Classroom you want to move the class back to your active list. A confirmation window will appear. Click Restore again to finalize. After you confirm, Google Classroom reactivates the class. All class materials, posts, assignments, and grades remain as they were when you archived it, and student access returns. No duplicates are created, and you can always archive it again later if needed. Head back to the home section to see your updated list of active classes. The restored class should now appear with your other current courses, making it easy to jump right back into teaching and management. Finally, click the restored class to open it and verify everything looks good. Check the stream and classwork for your posts and assignments, and the People tab to confirm students and co-teachers are still there. If you use class topics or scheduled posts, they'll stay in place so you can pick up exactly where you left off. That's it. Restoring is quick, reversible, and perfect for when you temporarily archive a course for organization. If you don't see the option to restore, ensure you're in the correct account and that you're a teacher in that class. Thanks for watching and happy teaching.